Hi everybody, this is Donna Palumbo, and I want to personally thank you for visiting my page. I'm so excited to bring you some of my amazing custom-made products that I create myself, always doing it with love. A little bit about myself. First and foremost, I love the Lord, and He's the reason why I am who I am and why I do what I do. Secondly, I'm a wife to a wonderful husband, Dan, and we've been married for X amount of years. I'm a proud mother of two tremendous young adults, my son Christopher and my daughter Claudia. And I'm a budding entrepreneur with a passion for adding that extra special touch to your special event, whether it be a long-awaited wedding day, a hard-earned graduation, a shower for your expected new arrival, or whatever event you'd like to celebrate. The products I create especially for you and your event will be custom-made with the special message you'd like to appear on it, whether it be for your favorite verse of scripture, your favorite quote, a special date, anything you choose. It will be specific to you and your event, making it extra special for the occasion, and they'll make perfect keepsakes for you and your guests. To find out more, just enter your first name and best email address below, and you'll be able to take a look at the types of lovely scented candles and tasty chocolates I've personally created for others to give you an idea of what can be created for your next special occasion. So enter your best contact information below, and I'll see you on the inside. God bless. Okay, Donna, it's Nolan. That was just an example of what it would be like for you to do an introduction video on your own page. So when certain people find your page, or you give them the website address, that's what they'll see first. And then the point is for you to gather their contact information, hence the reason for the first name and the email address, so that if it happens to be somebody who you don't know and they just stumble upon your page somehow, or if like you get business cards with the address on it, you hand it out in public, or in some public place and somebody picks it up and they go to it, you don't know this person, but you don't want them to just see your site once, because the odds of them actually making a purchasing decision are very slim. But if you have the email address, you can contact them as much as you want, and it'll keep you in their minds, in the forefront of their minds, like when that event does come up, that they may think of you and may see your prices or the type of products you have, and want to get something custom made like that. And so when they put that information in, what's also going to happen is once they click that button, yes, they'll be able to go into the next page, but also the system will automatically send them a follow-up email, and you can set up as many emails as you want to do things automatically. So you want to automate things as much as possible. So like say for instance, you can have just as an example, 5 pre-written emails set up. The first one being a welcome email, the second one being like a discount, like a 20% off of scented candles. The third one can be like 25% off chocolates. The fourth one can be something about you personally, or just something to like get them to know you and trust you, and inviting them back to your page. And the fifth one could be, just giving an example, just thinking off the top of my head, because the more exposure people have to a certain product or service or whatever the case may be, the more prone they are to remember you and also come back later on. So this is just trying to give you an idea of what's possible when you have a system in place set up to do some work for you while you are doing your own thing. So I hope this helps. And again, this is just a rough draft, and you can get back to me or Virginia whenever you can and let me know what you think. All right, take care.